Bad night dance, I'll throw back badness no local. And we have a place locked like door now.
Rifle me, I used to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That song the week better than I'm pretty. I write the tune them. Shut.
But them haunted, nobody them not kill them pussy. Then nobody just mouth talking about.
Make it cake, clap him face, damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him, have to worry. Crime youth favor poppins.
Yo, we're not going to do no intro to that one. I don't see the caption, I don't see the thumbnail, so we'll get straight tonight. This are our Silkboss kick it off.
Trashy start war and him run from me. She said them shaky like old smarty. The go.
Where is the lie? No lie in this. Jahshii, you start the war, you pick pan the man, you provoke the man every single day on Instagram. Now the war start and you run from him. I throw the man attack. You move like old people, you move shaky boss man.
The ghost take 1 month for answer me. Who if him dead body, do him something well tragic.
1 month you take for answer Silkboss. Me not really that check see so long, but it really look bad. If you know say yo, we know you as a top clash artist from unruly clash days, and you come pick a fight with a little youth in the industry, and I run up and don't take 1 month for answer Silkboss. Brother, we disappointed now you Jahshii, we are tell you the truth, even though we know say yo, you're a bad artist. But me always tell you, never underestimate on opponent. We see what going on with Jamil, we see what going on with Virgin, not because you see a man and think say them a rookie or they not do certain type of song. You feel like say you can just run over them, and that's why Jahshii probably pick a fight with Silkboss, and after I see Silkboss run out, him start run.
I hold that, boost them up like supple gen for run up, make me show them. I can walk and know the movements. Rifle me, I used to mute them.
We need answer to that question there, Jahshii. How a Dan pre boots you, make a run up, and right now the man use rifle shot and mute you. You take 1 month for answer, and when you answer nothing too tough, right now that song you will say boss drop. Jahshii, just lower this thing. Continue focus on your music.
Rifle me, I used to mute them. Fling about man 32 dead. That song the week better than I'm pretty. I write the tune them. Shut.
The first song with Dan pre drop, me forward, and me do a review on the song, and me never did all do none. But to the song bad, me did half a review it, cause me I say, yo, Jano, that you are not normal, even though I know him want to go at it with Silkboss, but we did half a look on the song. And at that Silkboss, I tell you right, I say, you know, father, it better Dan Pre did write your song them, because the one song with Dan Pre forward better than the two where you already dropped so far as a class song. It is just the truth, and right now you get right off.
Shot and knock and skull a crack, me coulda swear a 2 egg. 2 me sick in me head, them say me lose me screw them. Hurry.
The way all shot and knock and skull a crack, you woulda think a egg. Bunky dog. Yo, every day we forward that we say, you don't say boy Silkboss, them man they da, them man they not no sense. Them man they we just a galang and it's like they head cheap. And that the man I tell us say the way how him go on, people saying lose a screw. And a true father, them man they no normal, them man they will just depend them IG live and somebody say the slightest thing we no like and him head cheap. No, imagine when a man actually provoke him, when a man actually trouble him, when a man actually a pick fight with him, hombre, it not go normal. And at this we see a play out right so. And me really like the effort of Silkboss, you know, say yo, him forward with a song so fast and the video after what Jahshii forward and say in a him first diss track where him do about a day ago or probably 2 days the max, and Silkboss could have able to put together a track and a video, and you could have see clearly say yes, probably some of the lyrics them already write and put down, but based on some things where him say, you see say a new lyrics.
Make it cake, clap him face, damage brain and lift. Him baby mother say no worry about him, have to worry. Crime youth favor poppins.
Wall of your face damage Jahshii when the case start clap. By the way, a who name Poppins, because you forward in a your song and see your baby mother say you not for worry. But Silkboss have a counteraction to that, and he must say your baby mother say you not for worry, but you have a right to worry because your youth favor Poppins. You don't have to even tell nobody who Poppins is or a Poppins say, but for whatever him say, just forward. You probably can show your youth and show Poppins and make we see if the youth actually favor the brother where Silkboss attack, or you just claim up a youth proud of it.
When I go about band fighter, you get up road up. As I informer, they get to know you.
The line here, I want a Jahshii original line from him song when he am Born Fighter. And the way how Silkboss use it, it can have more than one meaning. Him probably I mean say, yo, Jahshii, you a fight down people. Yes, we don't know. Most people in the ghetto no like to see when an next youth from the ghetto rise. So probably other way that he mean it. Say Jahshii see a ghetto youth arise and him a fight them down. Or it can also be a case where him a tell Jahshii say yo, me are the real born fighter, cause you're born with gold spoon on your mouth. Me have to fight for the way me dey. Me have to fight for this. And it can even have more meaning. But that are just what me get from it.
Jahshii, you a try for bully. Your head about the brain skin out like under be pussy. Send them up with an
Where is the Jahshii face skin out like? Yo, Jado Jahshii, brother. Yo, you try for bully the wrong person. And it a play out in other song over and over and over again. That song grimy. And Silkboss gone with the clasher. Silkboss gone with the winnings.
the picture to me. Mama ball why me do this. You not see the boy a rookie. Watch out himself, so me go finish give him a couple bullets.
The boy shoot himself. So me forward and go give him a couple more bullet. Even my mother ask him say, yo, why him do him so? Yo, you see him words them I use again, say you know. And Jahshii, me just do a video and me and say, yo, you study the industry to the point where you basically master it before you forward. But it just obvious there are flaws in everybody and flaws in everything what people do. Because you forward on national TV and say you shoot yourself and you do and say certain things. Now your opponents are use it against you, and that is never a good thing. You give the man them too much ammunition against your father. Nobody don't know nothing about Silkboss unless a something new. But you forward and you put out evidence out there. The man use in a song against you, and at this everybody I use countless of time. We see intense do it. Yo, Jaja.
Bullet, Shaggy better talk to Scooby. Fool and bring no badness to me. If them a gas, so go and go buy a soap from me mummy.
The line are the last line we are gonna look pan. Who a gas you up? Yo, Shaggy, go and go talk to Scooby. Yo, we are youth. We must used to watch the cartoon that when name Scooby Doo and Shaggy. That the man I say, yo, Shaggy, go and go talk to Scooby. And who boots him? You see if anybody gas you up, just go buy a soup from your mother. Because we don't know. Jahshii mother sells soup and I don't know whatever they use cookie, you know, gas can be used. So you must see, yo, anybody a gas you up, just go buy a soup from your mommy and ease yourself. Yo, that song ya, it bad, and this song win the clash. Jahshii no need for answer. It is over. As me said earlier, never underestimate your opponent. No matter how good you is or how poor you feel like them is, never underestimate them. We see that too much time over and over in a dancehall, and Jahshii pick the wrong fight. Now when the fight get bring to him, he run up and down, go run all over the globe and forward with not even if say 2 weeks song, but when I sang them extra week. Silkboss have what? 3 songs and 2 of them very, very, very strong, very grimy, and not normal. Jahshii, you lose that one, yeah? Just continue focus on your music, continue focus on your tours and all of them things there with artists. Same way. We're not going to make because I want clash. We're right here and say you're rare. You're top artist. Anyway, if you're a subscriber, please up yourself. Remember, subscribe, like, share, comment.